Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of Roblox on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in into your account. Next, tap on the menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu. You will see the logout option. Simply tap on logout. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Tap Logout anyway again to confirm. You will be signed out of your Roblox account on your iPhone, and that's how you can log out of Roblox on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Roblox tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.